channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. This video is about this box. A little backstory. There is this spa, Brooklyn, New York. I put the name right here, called Joire, opened by hairstylist Nikita Gibson, who is now holistic guru. So this video is about this box. I'm going to unbox this self-care package that she is now selling on her website, JoireSpa.com. This self-care box, this robe is from that box. I have two of these robes now. This self-care box is super amazing. I keep using the word amazing, and I used it 100 times in this video because I don't have any other words. Send me some words. This self-care box is what you need when you're home alone, or even if you need some me time. Nikita curated this box especially for you in the middle of the pandemic where you can't go to a spa, you can't get the spa-like feeling. She created this box so that you can have that feeling, and she created these robes. So comfy, so soft. But stay tuned at the end of this video. I have a giveaway, and it's from some of the items in this box.
So, the packaging on this box, amazing. So freaking amazing. She took her time when she made this box, okay? Trust me. When you open it, there's fresh eucalyptus. When I say fresh eucalyptus, there's like a little tissue on the bottom with like water. It's so fresh. We put this in the shower, and then there's this robe. I don't know if y'all know this, but I have on the same robe. The robe comes in this plastic packaging where you open it and you take it out, and it tells you everything about it. It tells you what material it's made from, and then after you read that card, there is a thank you card, and she's telling you about the spa, her reasoning behind immunity in Joire's home. She gives you a little other card with some QR codes on it, so you can tag yourself and, keep up with whatever they got going on over at Joire Spa. It's Joire Spa, Joire's Skin, Joire's Home, just Joire's. It's Joire's for me. Now, let me give you some details about this robe. So it's this like silky, satiny, soft exterior, and the interior is so soft. I remember going to Joire Spa, and they have this robe there, and I texted her, I was like, oh my God, Nikita, you really have to, market this robe. She did, and girl. Now, the box has this little secret compartment where you pull it out like a little drawer, and then that's where all the goodies are, okay? And I say goodies, I mean goodies. The first one is a candle. Now, it's a coconut soy blend candle. It's eco-friendly. It's good for the home. It's good for you. It's a 3-wick candle, and this baby smells so freaking amazing. You hear me? I already lit it. As soon as I was done with this video, I lit this candle because it's so freaking good. The aromatherapy, it's good. It's eco-friendly. It's literally good for you and your your self-care. Now, please bear with me. I want to get this back in. I don't want to hurt it. After that, then you have the Sonic Facial Cleanser. So I bought myself one before, and then I bought one for my best friend. But I use this facial cleanser, and I'm not kidding you. It took things off that I never even knew was on my face. I exfoliated before, and then I used this, and it was just like, all right, I'm sold. I'm never giving it up. Now, this is the turmeric mask. is for like dark spots. You can use this anywhere. You can use it on your face, your armpits, your lady area, between your thighs. It helps get, all that dark mark, get your hyperpigmentation down. It smells good. I'm not going front. I never knew that turmeric mask could smell so good. This smells amazing, guys. You just put it on your little dark spots, sit there for about 15-20 minutes, and then you clean it off with warm water, or you can just head in the shower, whichever way. But this turmeric mask is, alright, I'm not going to say amazing again. I'm going to just let y'all see it when I use it. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm not even going to say it. Anyway, this is one of the jade roller sets. It has a jade roller in it, and it also has the other one for your under eye, and then this here is for the turmeric mask. So when I tell you Joire came prepared, they came prepared. This is the immunity. This is the one with ginger, and that's the original one. This is for whatever you are feeling, however you are feeling when you're feeling sick. I'm from the island, so I love me some ginger. So apparently, obviously, the ginger is my favorite. This is a cup. So if you know me, you know I love tea, right? I have 151 mugs. All right, not that many, but I have mugs because I love tea and I love coffee, and this is good for the immunity. After I did this unboxing, I'm telling you, I used my mug and I drank some immunity, one with ginger, and let me tell you something. Nikita put her foot in it. The mug says BRB healing because that's what self-care is about. It's about healing yourself. It's about doing what you need to do to make sure that you are ready for the world. And I'm so glad that she curated this box. I'm not even gonna front. I go to Joire Spa all the time when I lived in New York, and now that I moved, this is like the perfect getaway for me. The candle smells like the spa. All the goodies that we're getting, they use them in the spa. So I'm just, it's a little bit of home. This is a towel for your hair, spa towel. And this right here, the Holy Grail. So this first product is the hyaluronic acid. It's like the serum that you put on your face at night to make sure that you get that good glow. And this is, I didn't open them in order. This is the the lemongrass toner. I didn't open them in order. The products smell so amazing. This one is a cleanser. I used it right after this unboxing, and my face has never been so freaking amazing. I keep using the word amazing because I can't find any other words to use to describe all of this stuff. This is the holy grail for real. That stem cell repair moisturizer, yes. This whole thing, you see me packing it back, and that's because anyway, this whole self-care box is everything I did not know that I freaking needed. Okay. Joire Skin for the win.
Hope you really enjoyed that unboxing because the items, and it's amazing. So for the giveaway, I am giving away a deep clean sonic facial cleanser and massager, and I'm also giving away one of this amazing candle. Now I'm not giving away mine because I use them, but 2 lucky winners will get one of each. The rules of this giveaway is you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to turn your notification bells. Turn them on. Yes, please. But you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is thefancyface_, and I will be giving these away. The giveaway will end on April 17th, so you have some time. Just go ahead and like, subscribe, share this video, follow me on Instagram, and you could be taking home the signature Joire's spa candle. Until next time, guys, thank you so much. Have a good, wonderful, blessed day.